we are going to Sylvan Lake, Alberta, and summer is on its peak. Sunny days are going on, and KB is driving the car. So KB,
Oh man, it's a canola season. You see that?
yeah,
How beautiful that yellow color is. Oh, this is yellow with the lush green. Oh man. So it's looking so beautiful today, and it's a very crisp day today. It's a 21 degree right now, but it's very hot, kind of a monsoon type weather. It's humid. That's why it's hot. It's feeling like hot. So anyway, we are heading towards Sylvan Lake right now, and we are on the highway to north. And shortly, probably an hour, we'll be there. So we'll show you the Sylvan Lake shortly. So keep watching enjoystarfood and give us a thumbs up and I appreciate it.
so guys, we are very close to the Sylvan Lake, and KB, do you want to say something?
Yeah, we just enter the Sylvan Lake area, and shortly we'll be there. It's a humid day. We'll see how is the Sylvan Lake area. So we need to sit there. Our plan is to do some barbecue, and if that's happened, we'll show you guys.
So keep watching.
Watching. So guys, we just made it. So here's the lighthouse of Sylvan Lake. Beautiful. Here's the yacht area. Look at those yachts. Wow. Look at this yacht. And in just front of this yacht and beside the lighthouse, here we have the scene, guys. Beautiful scene of the Sylvan Lake. Even today is not a holiday, but I can see a lot of people doing fun here, guys. Look at that. Wow. Looking beautiful in this crisp, under the crisp sun and sunny day. Look how crystal clear water is. Wow, look at that. You guys can see the rocks. Oh wow. You see that? Looking beautiful. That made me, guys. Wow. It's looking so nice today. It's a little bit hot, but that's what you want it in Canada, right?
It's not a
Right,
little
yeah?
bit hot, it's
Yeah.
too much hot.
It's humid. Because of the humid, it's feeling hot. Not like, it's a 23, 24 degree maybe here.
Maybe.
Right? Wow. It's looking awesome. Guys, so here we have fun for the kids and the adults as well. Let me zoom in. So there are different kind of
Amusement park.
inflated bridges. Then they have kind of swings there, right? So guys are doing the fun there, right? It's looking so beautiful, right?
Yep.
So everything is inflated, I think so. Everything is inflated there. So can you zoom in? You see
I
that?
already zoom in.
Oh, it's looking so fun. Yeah, wow. And then this area is sitting area, and there's a I think so ice cream shop there, right? Can you zoom in?
Okay.
So this is ice cream shop, and that area is we are selling slush. This area, and there's a washrooms as well. So awesome! Wow, it's very good, very nice.
Yep.
The sea-doos, so you can rent those scooters, and then they have those kind of paddle boats, right? And then this one looking so fun, man, kind of a circular type boats. So you guys can rent those as well. Oh, let's see how much is the rent. Look at those yachts, man. Wow, looking cool. So here is their kind of a hut type office, I think. So where you guys can rent the boats, and here are the, I think, some prices. See that? Guys, so we just landed on the shore of the Sylvan Lake. So I'm doing setup right now for barbecue. I told you that we had a plan to barbecue today. So this is our portable, very nice barbecue. Some people call it this barbecue machine. It's so funny, right? So I'm doing setup here. So we're gonna make some today chicken breast steaks, and we have some kafta kebabs. So we're gonna make those kebabs. We have naan, we have some raita, chutney, and some salad as well. So once I'm gonna done the setup and I'm gonna start the barbecue, then I'll show you what's going on here. So look at that here. Oh wow, too many people, right? Wow. So guys, I have chicken breast that is spicy. It's kind of a steaks, and then I have beef kafta kebab that's also spicy. So my barbecue is ready. I already cleaned it up. It's hot now, and I'm gonna put those breast here. Okay. It's so delicious, guys.
Oh wow, it looks so yummy, yummy.
I bought ready-made from one of the store. Should be two. Yeah, should be two.
Oh wow, what a spices on it.
looking beautiful, right?
And
Yeah.
delicious as well.
Delicious, yeah. Very delicious. Wow. Look at those.
Here is the look of the chicken. Chicken.
And now I'm gonna put some kafta as well together. So we'll see.
Wow, beef kafta kebab. Oh wow.
So I'm gonna a little bit move this one here to make some room for the kebabs. Right. And those one, look at that. Is it not delicious?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's yummy, man. Oh wow. So here we done our setup. Look how delicious it is, right?
Very delicious.
So we're
Delicious food and
delicious food and very nice weather on Sylvan Lake.
yep.
So we'll show you almost done, guys. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the lid on.
So totally fun day, KB, am I right?
Yeah, it's fun. Very crisp, nice weather.
Yep.
Sunny day. A lot of people on the Sylvan Lake beach.
Mm.
And we're doing barbecue.
Mm.
And what do we need else, man?
A lot of things. Enjoy.
Good, man. Good.
That's why we sing enjoy star food.
And you know, like this Sylvan Lake is very good to come here. They have proper, like this is a kind of a visitor area, so they have everything. And even you know, today is Monday, and look how much people is here, how many people. And just imagine about the weekend, how many people used to come here, right? So this is probably 2 hours away from Calgary, right? Towards the north.
And on weekends, people normally don't get the spot to sit over here.
Right?
So lucky for us, we got the spot
Actually, it's
in front of the lake.
It took 20 minutes to like find this spot, right?
Yeah.
We were just walking around, and then some people left from this spot, and then we sit here. So very nice. And we'll get back to you shortly once our barbecue is done, right? See ya. Here, guys, just listen the barbecue sound, man. Oh wow! Awesome, man. I just turned over the chicken breast and some of the kebabs. Going awesome, man. Looks so delicious. We'll share the taste with you guys. Just hang on, man. Just hold on, guys. Oh man, looking so beautiful and delicious.
The chicken breast is ready and it's so spicy.
Man. Shoot. Wow. Look at these guys. They are ready. I'm gonna taste it, man. Looking so delicious. Look at the color, man. Wow. Looking so beautiful, so tempting, man. Oh wow. I have a lot of water in my mouth. So,
Me too.
Oh, shoot, so hot. Look at that. Oh man, I can't hold it. I can't hold it. Look at that.
The ice cream guy is in front of us. Oh wow.
Look at that. Do you guys believe it?
Yep.
I'm gonna try, man. Whoa. Spicy. Some kind of dried chili, something like that there. Oh man, look at that. It's not dry. So juicy, huh? Very nice. We have naan as well, so we'll eat with the naan. Shortly, I'm gonna take it out the kebabs. The kebabs are still here. Then I put out one naan on it. Look at those. And I will eat with this naan. Wow. So, there you gonna try?
Yep.
Here you go. Oh wow. I'm licking my fingers now.
Oh wow. Spicy and delicious.
Yeah, we shortly meet you with the kebabs, guys.
Keep watching.
So guys, so our kebabs, our chicken breast steaks, our naan, our salad, everything is ready. I put some mint chutney here. So let me check the kebabs, guys. Look how that beautiful color, like brownish, reddish color on it, man. Wow. Let me open this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that, those juices, man. Oh, shoot. It's dripping down, guys. Oh, shoot. Man, so delicious. I'm gonna try it. Wow. Very juicy. Very moderate spice in it. It's very good. I'm gonna try with the naan, guys. I'm gonna put a super bite. I'm gonna take kebab. I'm gonna take mint chutney. I'm gonna put onion on it. I'm gonna put cucumber on it. Oh, my tomatoes are in the
Tomatoes
bag.
are in the plate here.
Oh, okay, there's as well. So I'm gonna try that. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
There you go. Water bed. It's so delicious. I can't speak of that. Very good. I'll meet you shortly, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, we are done for the day. We had a very special party today. It was a lovely day and sunny day as well. So we just done was Calgary. So thank you very much for enjoying our vlog, watching our channel. Please keep us watching. Please keep us share with